Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, I forgive you. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, as you saw in the title, we are creating using our June BEEM box, okay? And the items that were enclosed were pretty decent this month. Actually, they were very nice, okay? We used just about everything in the box. The only thing I did not use yet is by Earth Harbor, and this is the Ahoy Love Nourishing Cream Cleanser. Did not get to use this product because I already have a cleanser open and I want to be able to enjoy all of my product because this is a clean product, meaning that the ingredients that are in this product have little to no preservatives, okay? So that's a good thing and a bad thing. The good part about it is it's amazing for our skin. The bad thing about it is the shelf life is only 6 months. So I do want to make sure I get good use out of it and I get a chance to use all of it, okay? The other item that I did not use is half of a set, and this is the Project Lip Mask, okay? So I did not use this one. This is the Pout. Can't necessarily say why I didn't use it this time, but OMG, wait till you see the other half in action. Really, really amazing. Actually, you can see the results of it right here, okay? So if you would like to see how this look was created and the products that we used, keep watching. let's just jump into talking about the items that we used. Well, the first thing you saw was me taking off the lip scrub. Let me tell you, I've had quite a few lip scrubs. This one I really like. It's not really gritty. It has it's nice and smooth, but it does the job. So I really like this one. This one I'll be putting on my desk for a little while. It felt smooth, like it was a lip balm, but it was a scrub. That was the first thing. Now, I don't know what happened to the footage I was recording when I did, of course, this brow. I did touch it up a little bit towards the end so you could at least see that. And it was done with the Chella eyebrow pencil. And this I really like. It does have a spoolie on the end. It's really fine though, but I like it. And of course it's retractable. And the shade that I have is called Deep Brown. Now, do I like this? Absolutely. But I've only come across maybe 2, maybe 3 brow products that I didn't like because they looked waxy. This does not look waxy. This does not feel waxy, but I definitely like the texture. I like how easy it was to apply. There was no tugging. Very nice product. Then, OMG, let's talk about this palette. Well, it's by Zara Beauty, and the palette that I have is called Daydream. I've been wanting a creamish palette for a very long time, and I really got it in this one. And so we used 5 of the 8, and we used Free Spirit, we used Deepest Wish, which is right here, we used Wandering Soul, which is this one, Tomorrow, and the shimmery part is done by Letting Go. Oh, I didn't mean to say it that way. I was just letting you know the name of the shade. This I like. Some of the mattes were a little powdery, but I'm okay with that. The color payoff was great. No challenges. I like the way the look came out. I like the consistency of this palette. So, not bad. And then, can we just take a moment for this bronzer? This bronzer palette is fantastic. It was fantastic. And this is by Zara, and the name of the palette is Gold Crush. These were the shades, okay? This is what I used. And I have to admit, I like it. It does not overpower my face. I don't look super shimmery and like the sun. No, I like this a lot. I like it a lot. Didn't use a highlighter, just the bronzer. And I used a orangish color blush. Definitely liked these products, okay? Now, the prices on these, very reasonable, and I will also link the actual unboxing, but this is the final look. I do love everything that I used today. What can I say? Other than I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we created this look and reviewed the June BEEM box, okay, and also gave our first impressions. And the first impressions, I'm liking everything that was in the box, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.